Hey friends, welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your cozy corner of the internet for home inspiration that actually feels doable. If you're new here, we are so glad you found us, and we would absolutely love it if you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a thing. Today, we are diving into one of my all-time favorite topics, peak summer farmhouse decor that looks like you spent a fortune, but trust me, you did not. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you team shiplap or team exposed brick? Let's get into it. Your home's exterior sets the entire mood before anyone even steps inside. For a summer farmhouse facade, think crisp white or warm grayish board and batten siding paired with black window trim. That high-contrast look is pure farmhouse gold. Add a statement front door in deep olive green or navy blue, flanked by tall terracotta planters overflowing with lavender and white hydrangeas. Hang a simple galvanized metal lantern on each side of the door. Layer in a woven natural fiber doormat, and suddenly your facade looks like it belongs on a magazine cover. A farmhouse entryway should feel like a warm hug the moment you walk through the door. Start with a shiplap accent wall in soft white as your backdrop. Mount a vintage-inspired wooden wall organizer, one with hooks for coats, hats, and keys, all in one intentional arrangement. Below it, tuck in a narrow shoe cabinet with a distressed finish to keep things tidy yet charming. Layer a jute runner on the floor, add a round beveled mirror above a small entryway bench upholstered in ticking stripe fabric, and finish with a potted eucalyptus on the corner. Effortlessly styled. The living room is where farmhouse style truly gets to breathe and shine. Anchor the space with a linen or cotton slipcover sofa in warm ivory. This fabric choice gives that relaxed, lived-in elegance that farmhouse lovers adore. Layer mismatched throw pillows in soft sage, cream, and dusty blue for that collected over time look. Add a reclaimed wood coffee table with visible grain and natural imperfections. Those details are the character, not the flaw. Finish with a woven seagrass area rug, a vintage-style ceramic table lamp, and a simple cotton throw draped casually over the armrest. Summer-ready perfection. A farmhouse dining room in summer should feel festive yet unfussy. Choose a solid wood farmhouse table, the kind with a thick, chunky silhouette and visible wood grain. Pair it with a mix of wooden dining chairs and a bench on one side for that casual, welcoming energy. For table decor, layer a simple linen table runner in oatmeal or washed white down the center. Add a low centerpiece of fresh white daisies and greenery in a mason jar cluster. Finish each place setting with stoneware plates, linen napkins, and vintage-inspired flatware. Understated, warm, and completely gorgeous. Your farmhouse kitchen deserves to be both hardworking and heartwarming. Start with upper cabinets in soft sage green and lower cabinets in classic cream. This two-tone palette feels fresh and very on-trend for summer. A matte black refrigerator or a retro-style refrigerator in cream ties everything together beautifully. For your stove area, use a simple subway tile backsplash in handmade style for texture. On the countertop, style a small, compact coffee machine in brushed metal beside a wooden tray holding linen napkins and a small potted herb plant. Every corner becomes a vignette worth photographing. Now let's talk about the details that truly elevate your farmhouse kitchen from pretty to stunning. Swap standard cabinet hardware for matte black cup pulls and bin handles. It is one of the easiest and most affordable upgrades you can make. Add open floating shelves and reclaimed wood above your counter and style them with stoneware bowls, glass canisters filled with dry goods, and a trailing pothose plant for life and softness. A farmhouse apron front sink in white porcelain is the ultimate statement piece in this space. Pair it with an unlacquered brass or matte black faucet, and you have pure kitchen magic. The farmhouse family room is all about comfort with a side of style. Mount a flat-screen TV on a shiplap feature wall, painted in a warm white tone, and frame it with floating wooden shelves styled with books, small plants, and woven baskets. Choose a deep, cushioned sectional sofa in performance linen or a durable cotton blend, ideal for family life and summer lounging. Layer a textured chunky knit throw over one cushion, scatter linen poofs on the floor, and add a wicker floor lamp in the corner. The result is a space that genuinely invites everyone to slow down and stay a while. Not every home has a dedicated office, and that is perfectly fine. Farmhouse style thrives on smart, multifunctional spaces. Find a quiet corner and anchor it with a small but characterful desk in raw oak or painted white with turned legs. Pair it with a simple wooden or caneback chair. On the desk, style a small, unique vintage-inspired desk clock, the analog kind with an exposed face, and tuck a tiny vintage-style transistor radio beside it for ambience while you work. Add a wall-mounted pegboard for notes and supplies, and a small potted succulent for greenery. Functional, beautiful, and entirely farmhouse. Every farmhouse home deserves a tucked-away reading nook, a little pocket of peace that feels intentionally designed just for you. Build yours into a corner using a built-in banquette bench with a cushion in a soft floral or striped fabric, piled high with linen pillows. Add a small side table just big enough for a cup of tea and your current read. Mount a simple sconce light on the wall above for warm task lighting. Fill a small built-in shelf beside it with your favorite books and a trailing ivy plant. This nook should feel like the coziest secret in the whole house. Your farmhouse bedroom in summer should feel like sleeping in a luxury countryside in every single night. Start with a gorgeous wooden bed frame. A natural oak or whitewashed pine panel design works beautifully. Layer the bed with crisp white linen bedding, adding a lightweight cotton quilt in a soft chambray blue or sage green folded at the foot. Add nightstands in a warm wood tone with matte black metal legs, and top each with a ceramic table lamp and a small bud vase holding a single stem. Sheer linen curtains softly filter morning light. Peaceful, intentional, and absolutely dreamy. A farmhouse bathroom can feel truly luxurious without a major renovation. Focus on two hero moments, your shower and your vanity area. For the shower, use large format subway tiles in a classic offset pattern and choose matte black fixtures for a modern farmhouse edge. At the vanity, a vessel sink basin in white ceramic above a freestanding wooden cabinet brings warmth and texture beautifully. Hang a large round mirror with a thin natural wood frame above it, add a small wooden tray holding a candle and hand soap, and fold linen hand towels neatly on an open shelf below. Simple refinement at its best. The accessories in your farmhouse bathroom are where the magic truly happens. Hang a hand-woven cotton shower curtain with a subtle stripe or textured weave in natural white or soft gray. Add a bamboo or teak bath mat on the floor for warmth underfoot. Style a small wooden stool beside the bath or shower holding a folded linen towel and a small plant. Ferns and peace lilies love bathroom humidity. Decant your hand soap into a ceramic pump dispenser. Use matching glass jars for cotton rounds and Q-tips, and hang a small piece of botanical art on the wall. Every detail counts. Most people never think about styling their garage, but a farmhouse garage moment is truly one of the most underrated design opportunities in your home. Start by painting the interior walls in a warm off-white and using open wooden shelving units along one wall for storage. Add galvanized metal bins and labeled canvas baskets for organization that looks intentional. Hang a pegboard panel for tools and outline it with simple wood trim for a finished look. If space allows, add a small potting bench with a distressed paint finish. Even the garage floor benefits from an epoxy coating in light gray for a clean, pulled-together feel. Summer farmhouse living wouldn't be complete without a beautifully styled patio that pulls you outdoors every single day. Start with a large outdoor rug in a natural sisal or a washable indoor-outdoor version in a stripe or diamond pattern to define your seating zone. Choose teak or acacia wood outdoor furniture with weather-resistant linen cushions in cream and soft terracotta. Add a round wooden side table, a string of warm Edison bulb lights overhead, and a cluster of potted lavender and rosemary herbs nearby for fragrance and beauty. A galvanized metal lantern on the ground with a candle inside completes this dreamy outdoor escape perfectly. Let's pause for a quick design lesson, because understanding the language of farmhouse style helps you make better choices every time you shop or style. Farmhouse design is rooted in warmth, practicality, and natural materials. The three core principles are texture layering, which means mixing linen, wood, metal, and woven materials. The neutral palette with pops of muted color like sage, terracotta, and dusty blue, and vintage-inspired pieces mixed with functional modern elements. When you understand these principles, every styling decision becomes easier and more intentional. You stop guessing and start curating, and that is when your home truly begins to reflect your personal style beautifully. Here is the truth your wallet needs to hear. Farmhouse style is actually one of the most budget-friendly aesthetics you can pursue because it celebrates simplicity and imperfection over perfection. Shop thrift stores and estate sales for wooden furniture with character. A little sanding and a coat of chalk paint transforms almost anything. Buy fresh flowers in bulk from your local farmer's market for table and room styling at a fraction of the florist price. Use mason jars, wooden crates, and woven baskets as styling vessels throughout your home. Focus your budget on a few key statement pieces like a beautiful sofa or a standout light fixture, and style everything else around them affordably. Refreshing your farmhouse home for summer doesn't require a complete overhaul. It is all about strategic, intentional swaps. Replace heavier winter textiles like chunky knits and velvet with lightweight linen, cotton, and woven pieces. Swap dried floral arrangements for fresh greenery, white hydrangeas, or sunflowers in simple ceramic vases. Bring the outdoors in by adding potted herbs to your kitchen windowsill and ferns to your bathroom shelves. In the living room, trade dark throw pillow covers for ones in soft sage, sky blue, or sun-bleached white. These seasonal micro-updates cost very little but completely transform the energy and freshness of your entire home for summer. A vignette is simply a curated grouping of objects that tells a small visual story, and mastering this technique is the secret to making your farmhouse home look professionally styled in every corner. Always work in odd numbers. Groups of 3 or 5 feel the most natural to the eye. Vary the height of your objects. Tall, medium, and low creates visual movement. Mix textures within each grouping. A wooden object beside a ceramic one beside something woven feels layered and rich. Add one living element, a plant, fresh flower, or even a bowl of summer fruit, to every vignette. Suddenly, every surface in your home becomes a moment worth photographing. And there you have it, friends. A complete journey through easy summer farmhouse decor that looks absolutely expensive without the price tag to match. From your facade and entryway all the way through to your dreamy patio, every space in your home has the potential to feel warm, beautiful, and intentionally styled this summer. Remember, farmhouse design is not about perfection. It is about creating a home that feels genuinely yours. I hope today's video gave you ideas, inspiration, and the confidence to start making changes you will love. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves home decor, and drop your favorite tip from today in the comments. I read every single one. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for fresh design inspiration every week. Until next time, make your home your happy place.